Hello! In front of me I have SUUNTO Vertical Titanium Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First you will need to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press the middle button, press and hold it to open the settings. In settings, find the general option and tap on it to enter. Now scroll through the menu, find the display option, and once you find it, tap on it to enter, and here select the brightness option by tapping on it. As you can see right here we have a list of screen brightness levels. We have low, medium and high. Select the one you like. For example, let's select low, and after that the settings should be applied. Let's check the high. Does it change it? Oh yeah, it is brighter. Okay, so once you select the brightness, you can swipe right on the screen like that to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.